Hey, come on in. This is our room tour of Alohilani. This is room 3366, and this is a 1-bedroom. So we're going to take you over here. So first we'll take you over to the bathroom. So there's a single sink outside here, enough space for everything. This light is really good because it helps with light and the mirrors and everything. Lots of towels, hair dryers, everything. And right in here is a shower toilet combo. And let's take you into the closet. So, pretty big closet, enough space for all your things. Big safe down there. I'll show you. Leave all your stuff in there. Oh, I want to tell you this story I heard about the safe. Like, you know, if you use the safe, right, and then you check out and you're like, oh my God, I forgot all my stuff. So someone says that you should take your shoe and put your shoe in the safe. And then you'll never forget it because you're always looking for your shoe and you're like, oh my God, it's in the safe. I won't forget my stuff. So I don't know where I heard it from, but I heard it from somebody. I thought that was pretty cool. So nice little table area. Got some of the beautiful Hawaiian water. It's only $1 here. It's really good. And we have a king-size bed with plenty of outlets. 2 outlets here, 2 USBs. The side tables are pretty spacious as well. There's plenty of room in here. Just, you know, it's filled with our stuff. And there's a little mini fridge here. We got some poke in there, so you know we're in Hawaii, and some wine. Didn't come with the room. We bought it. Nice little sitting area here. Same nightstand. So, the view. Got mountains here, and I'm going to show you the beach. So, this is Waikiki Beach. This is why everybody comes to Hawaii. And all those little dots right there, those are people surfing. All those little guys right there, everybody surfing. We're gonna try to get a surf lesson before we leave. Oh, and you wanna take a look at that mural right there? And this is the pool. That's the hot tub. We were there earlier. Those are the cabanas. It's really beautiful down there. All right, so let's take you back in. So we're gonna take you to the adjoining room because the girls have their own space. And so this is the adjoining room. Double beds, same setup, coffee maker, drawers, same deal. There's no wine in here. We got some of this Hawaiian juice that the girls really like. It's like guava nectar, good stuff. And there's just a lot more snacks in this room, like Pop-Tarts and cool stuff like that. And let's take you over to the bathroom. So same setup, sink, shower, toilet, everything's all in there. Closets, same deal. And the safe, ironing board, iron. Nice tall mirror here. That's like connected, so can't worry about it tipping over. This is really good. And instead of the 2 side tables, there's one giant one here in the middle. Oh, and this is what they give you. Actually, I'll open it up now. All right, so the hotel gives you a mask, gloves, and let's see what else is in here, sanitizing wipes. So that's really good. And same setup here, 2 chairs, and they have, their view is just as nice as ours. Our room is just a little over on this side, so they can see a little more of the buildings. So these are all the buildings. Then you can see this is another surf spot over here and all the way down there. Yeah, this whole beach is super famous. Okay, let's take you back inside. So if you want to see our full video of our stay here at Alohilani, just click below and you can see our full video. All right, guys, see you soon.